Space is vast, silent, and full of mysteries. For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars, wondering what secrets lie beyond our world. But in recent years, scientists and space agencies, especially NASA, have made discoveries that raised serious questions. Some of these discoveries were so strange that even today, science has no clear answers. One of the most shocking discoveries came from deep space observations. NASA detected objects moving in ways that defy known laws of physics. These objects showed no visible engines, no fuel trails, and no signs of propulsion. Yet they changed direction suddenly, as if controlled by an unknown force. Another discovery involved mysterious radio signals. Powerful signals were received from distant galaxies, repeating in patterns that did not match any natural source. Scientists ruled out stars, planets, and black holes. To this day, the true origin of these signals remains unknown. Then came the discovery of dark matter. According to scientists, most of the universe is made of something we cannot see or touch. Dark matter does not emit light, yet its gravity shapes galaxies and controls their movement. Despite decades of research, no one has directly observed it. NASA also discovered strange structures on Mars. Satellite images revealed perfectly aligned formations, unnatural angles, and patterns that look engineered rather than natural. While officials claim these are geological formations, many scientists quietly disagree. Perhaps the most disturbing discovery was a massive object detected beyond our solar system. This object reflected light in an unusual way and accelerated without explanation. Some scientists suggested it could be an alien probe, while others insisted it was natural. The debate continues even today. So the question is, how many discoveries are still hidden from the public? How much do we truly know about the universe? One thing is certain: the more we explore space, the more we realize that we understand far less than we once believed.